Roger, Dipper, Dumpy, Craney. And here are our vegetables. But how do we harvest them? Whoa! Tractor Roger, are you okay? It seems like we cannot do it without a combine harvester. It will help us pick up the vegetables. A combine harvester is a special machine that drives on the field and can collect everything that grows there. Let's make one.